Hello friends, this is Miss Sudi. Welcome to Reading with Miss Sudi. The book I have for you today is titled Bear and Bird Learn to Share, and it's written and illustrated by Johnny Lambert. Some animals like bear and birds' friends need to sleep all winter. This is because the weather gets too cold and it is hard to find food. This is called hibernation and it lasts until spring. Bear also needs to rest, but it doesn't sleep as deeply as other animals. Before they hibernate, bear and his friends must gather enough food to last the cold winter months. But will there be enough food to go around? Let's read and find out. Let's get started. Bear and Bird Learn to Share, written and illustrated by Johnny Lambert. Bear and Bird shivered as snowflakes fell. Brr! It's cold today. Snow had fallen on the distant hills. Winter was on its way. The animals searched for juicy fruit. It was time to hibernate. But Bear gathered every ripe berry he could. There was no time to wait. Bird chased after the greedy bear and chirped, "Others need to eat." But Bear didn't want to listen to his advice, and he made a speedy retreat. Bird was upset with his best friend. "Bear, that's so unfair. All of our friends will go hungry if you're not willing to share." Clutching all the delightful berries, Bear turned and ran for home. "I am a hungry bear who needs lots of food. Please, just leave me alone." The next day, Bear looked out at the forest. It was white and dusted with snow. But Bird was nowhere to be seen. Where on earth did he go? Bear was worried, so left his cave, and he searched for Bird high and low. He scattered his tasty food, leaving a trail, and he piled berries high in the snow. Bear was sad. Bird must be starving. He's flown away. But where? Looking up, he heard a high-pitched chirp. "Thank you for the food, kind bear." All of the animals were back at Bear's cave. They'd followed the trail of food. Bear felt very bad for taking it all. He now knew it was wrong and a little bit rude. His forest friends forgave him because he really seemed to care. As they played outside in the freezing snow, Bear agreed, "It is good to share." And that's the end. So this beautiful illustrated fiction book with a heartwarming story about friendship and the importance of sharing with others has warmed my heart. Hope it did the same for you. If you liked reading this beautiful story with me, then please show your love by pressing the like button and subscribing to my channel. I am checking out with the promise to read together again next week and also come back to some more subscription and some more likes, and see ya.